Hello, camera. What are you doing there? Oh! Hello, everybody. My name is Christian Alexandrov, and this is my video resume. Let me tell you more about myself. Guys, I need a map! I was born in sunny Santa Barbara. Then, I moved to Europe, classy and old. And after 14 years, I moved back to the United States in snowy Syracuse. I study in the best communication school in the country, Newhouse at Syracuse University. Go Orange! My major here is television, radio, film. My goal is to become a film director. My dream is to win an Oscar. I want to thank the Academy, my family, and my country for this award. I speak several languages. Bonjour, здравейте, спасибо. Ich liebe meine große Apfelsine Kürbis. Here is some of my prior experience in the communications field.
Стига в новините. Днес темата, която ще бъде разисквана, мен Кристиян Александров.
Това бяха новините в 18 часа. Ветровито, хладно и дъждовно ще бъде в Видин. Виждате, към 15 часа вятърът ще достигне 25 км в час. Много е добър! Ема ти си по-добър от нашите синоптици! Ние продължаваме...
Този ще го вземем на работа!
Създание на Hello на живо по TV Запад. Аз съм Кристиян Александров. Сега се прехвърляме на всекидневника.
Gorgeous. In conclusion, I have a social security number and I-9 eligibility to work in the United States. Therefore, I am your perfect choice. Hire me.